Sir, you want to feed the dove? You can buy a feeds for 50 pesos only. You can feed.
No, thank you.
So yan mga gar, nandito kami sa Port Santiago. At yan na nga guys. Ayan, tinitignan ni sir.
Art, culture, and sports. Article 50.